Hey everybody, in this video we are going to factor the expression you see on your screen right now. What we see is a problem that at first glance looks like a trinomial. Usually if they start with x to the fourth, then it's a trinomial. We could do a C method, but that's only if the x to the fourth power has a x squared and x squared in the middle and no x at the end. So something seems a little funny about that. So what are we going to do? Well, the first thing you should always do is look for a greatest common factor. And we do have a GCF, and that GCF is x squared. Everything in this trinomial, in this expression, could spare to give away an x squared. So if I factor out x squared, that leaves me with x squared plus x minus 56. Now for the inside, now I'm going to do the AC method. 1 times negative 56, well, that's negative 56, right? What multiplies to give you 56? Well, 1 and 56. Now, don't have a meltdown. You're going to live. 1 and 56. 2. What's half of 50 and what's half of 6? 25. 3. What does that add up to? 28. Does 3 go into this? Now, if you need a little help, 28 is 4 and 7, and that's a 2 times 2. So you could think of those numbers that they're going to work for us, you know? So there's no 3 here. 4, yes, because 4 times 7 gives me 28. So that means 4 times 7 times 2. So it's 4 and 14. Another way to do that is if you could double the 2 to get 4, then you would take the 28 and you would cut that in half so that you maintain the appropriate balance. 5, no. 6, no. 7, yes. 7 and 8. So again, if I double the 4, I get 8. Cut 14 in half, I get 7. Oops, sorry, not on the screen. So that is a way to kind of think of it, all right? If that is helpful for you. If not, and you have your own way of doing it without a calculator, great, I'm happy for you. But you should not be relying on a calculator on your wrist or on your tabletop. It doesn't matter. You should be able to do this without. B equals 1, so it means positive 8 and negative 7. We're going to go from there. X squared. If you do grouping, I will show it with grouping. Minus 7x plus 8x minus 56. Factor by grouping. I'm going to have an x to take out and a plus 8 to take out. X squared sits out front. X out front times x minus 7. Plus 8 out front, x minus 7. Do they have anything in common over here? Yes, I have an x minus 7 in common. So that's x squared, x minus 7, x plus 8. And then I will draw a box around my final answer, and boom, there you go. Again, these directions were just to factor. There's no solving, so it's less work than the solving problems. I hope you were able to factor that correctly on your own. I hope you didn't lose that x squared along the way. That's it for now. Check the playlist on the screen for more videos on this and similar topics on factoring and solving polynomials, okay? Adios. Ooh, wait, I forgot. If you got the right answer all on your own, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and if not, thumbs down. There you go. Now that's it. Adios.